Welcome to part 1 of our two-part series, Signs of the Final Days, The Last Chance for Humanity to Change, part 1 of 2. Around the world, more and more people are observing that humanity is at a crisis point. Put together, the COVID-19 pandemic, changing weather patterns, floods, droughts, wars, species loss, and crop failures all feel like an ominous warning that even bigger changes are coming to our planet. Scientists have been trying to warn humanity that climate change is now reaching an urgent stage at which it will begin to accelerate. Cambridge University scientists have recently warned that we should prepare for a significant loss of human life, with the extinction of humans being a real possibility. In this episode, we will look at events around the world that appear to be signs that we are in what is often called the final days. Are we nearing the time of the extinction of all human life on Earth? The extraordinary set of changes humans have caused to our planet is so far-reaching that it has a name.
We've caused so many changes to the planet so quickly that scientists have given this time period its own name. They're calling it the Anthropocene, or the Age of Humans. Like the Pleistocene and the Holocene, the Anthropocene represents a segment of the Earth's timeline. It includes things like the rise of fossil fuels as an energy source, the industrialization of agriculture, and the urbanization of more than half the world's population. We've caused a cascade of effects that have altered the landscape, the climate, the animals and plants around us, and even our own way of life.
Some place the beginning of the Anthropocene at the start of the Industrial Revolution. Others think it began with the first atomic bomb detonation in 1945. Either way, we live at a time in which human activity is interfering with and altering the ecology of Earth. Humanity is consuming resources at an unsustainable rate, and that rate of consumption is continuing to increase. We have changed over 75% of the Earth's landmass by building cities and decimating forests and other ecosystems to create space for crops and grazing land. While the 8 billion people on the planet use more resources than the Earth produces, the 70 billion land animal people raised and killed each year for meat and dairy use even more. One of the most significant impacts has been on the Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of the earth, much of which has been destroyed to clear space for cattle people to graze as well as grow crops for them to eat. The industrial operations to raise animal people use extraordinary amounts of water, fertilizer, and land, and they are destroying the planet in a multitude of ways. Of course, it makes sense that animal people in the wild would be the first to be affected by these changes to the planetary ecosystem.
Planet Earth is 4.5 billion years old. The earliest complex life first appeared around 1 billion years ago. In the hundreds of millions of years since then, our planet has faced 5 major extinction events. From giant impactors to supervolcanoes to potential gamma-ray bursts, the causes of each extinction have generally been apocalyptic single events. Now, for the first time in human history, our species is experiencing an ongoing extinction all around us. And the cause isn't a giant meteor or gamma-ray burst, it's us.